The standard build platform for the H-Series machine mounts with 4 magnetic latches, and it's also connectorized for easy removal. So when you finish one print, you can pull that build plate off, drop another one on, hit go, and then do whatever post-processing or part removal that you want on the first one. We ship the machines and spare build plates with a 6mm layer of Kapton applied. We like that for printing urethanes, which is a lot of what we do here at Diabase. Got a heater on the build plate with a temperature switch that limits out at about 120 C, and the build plate mounts with 4 precision pins at the corners. There are 2 tapered pins in the front and 2 flat pins in the back. Be careful that you don't put the build plate on in the wrong orientation. There is an XY symbol on the front that shows you the correct orientation. Those pins allow us to quickly level the bed with jacking thumb screws. So thumb screws will go in at the location of each pin, just adjacent to it, and then we have a clamping mechanism that holds the pin in place. You loosen that flexure and use the screw to adjust the location of that corner of the bed. You do that on all 4 corners and run your bed level routine. We do mesh grid compensation anyway, so you don't have to dial your print bed in exact in order to get good prints, but it's good practice to get it within 50 or 100 microns overall. The build plate also has a pattern of M3 tapped holes. This allows you to attach other materials. So if you want to print on glass or mount a flexible build surface so you can quickly pop parts off, you can do that here. You can also screw down a fixture plate directly onto the build plate. So here you can see a little bit better the action of the thumb screws. So when I loosen this clamping screw, that loosens the pin, and then when I adjust the thumb screw, the pin can move up or down. So that'll lift or lower that corner of the bed. And then when I'm finished with my adjustment, I can tighten here the clamping mechanism that holds the pin rigidly in place. Now the thumb screw is an M4 by 0.7mm pitch. So for one full turn, 360-degree revolution of the thumb screw, you'll get 0.7mm of adjustment of the bed. So when you're running your bed level routine, that's something you want to look at. What are the actual numbers that you need to adjust, and then how much does that correlate to in terms of a degree of rotation of the thumb screw.